What is TweetPush Pro? TweetPush Pro is a Twitter marketing tool that will help you in getting more traffic and audience on your Twitter handles that do on complete 100% autopilot. Even if you don't know anything about Twitter marketing, don't worry, TweetPush Pro will take care of everything. So, you don't have to spend all your time and day posting on Twitter. Who is TweetPush Pro for? If you are struggling to get traffic and audiences on your local business, then TweetPush Pro is the tool you need. It uses the best Twitter marketing techniques to get you in front of the audience who are ready and have the potential to buy what you are selling. Some of the people who can benefit from TweetPush Pro are e-commerce marketers, content marketers, affiliate marketers, CPA marketers. 4 things I love about TweetPush Pro. 1. Twitter has the biggest concentration of actual real buyers across all social networks. TweetPush Pro takes this into consideration and brings you right in front of the audience that is ready and has the capability to buy what you are selling. 2. With TweetPush Pro you can schedule your tweets and even repeat tweets at fixed intervals. So, just set the intervals and relax. 3. TweetPush Pro not only gets you the required traffic, but also lets you reply in bulk to those who have tweeted using your keywords. This gets you hot traffic with buyers who are looking for products in your niche. 4. With TweetPush Pro you can create campaigns and connect your RSS feeds and YouTube channel to Twitter. What will I get inside TweetPush Pro? TweetPush Pro lets you get Twitter traffic on complete autopilot. Here's a detailed look at exactly what TweetPush Pro will do for you. Grab traffic from trends based on locations and keywords and hashtags. Find qualified leads and connect with them on auto reply, retweet, direct messages help you create engagement fast. Monitor mentions, replies, and engage prospective leads quickly. Get in front of buyers right when they want to buy. Create campaigns and connect your RSS feeds and YouTube channel to Twitter. Any drawback to TweetPush Pro? Do you want to keep on losing traffic on Twitter? Or just keep on searching and grabbing the people who will bring you sales? Well, if that is the case, then you may be at the receiving end. Cyrils, this product is definitely gonna get you to the fore on Twitter, and this is not a short-term thing at all. Once you start using TweetPush Pro, so long as you keep at it, you will get the required traffic on 100% autopilot. Now if you are repelled by being popular, then maybe you should reconsider TweetPush Pro. Other than that, just go for it without even batting your eyelid. Final thoughts on TweetPush Pro. The fact of the matter is that it is not possible to get the right set of targeted traffic every time you try to sell something. Sooner or later you will lose motivation or just get plain tired of all the hard work. Cyril has factored in every possible element of Twitter marketing with TweetPush Pro. If you have put in a lot of efforts in setting your business, then you must go ahead and buy TweetPush Pro. After all, why waste your time and efforts in order to get the results, as TweetPush Pro will improve your analytics immediately. It will automate everything for you. Get TweetPush Pro today through this link and skyrocket your earnings using Twitter.